I want to show you how to use ChatGPT for trading. So you can see here, I've been asking it a ton of questions and it's been outputting this foreign looking stuff, which is code. And this code actually creates a trading bot that trades for me 24/7, 365. So even if you don't know how to code, I would definitely stick around for this entire video because you'll learn that number one, you can figure this out. Number two, you've got ChatGPT to help you really build anything that you can think of. So in this example, I want to go ahead and say, hey, please tell me more, or tell me what mean reversion is. Tell me what mean reversion is in trading and give me a good trading strategy. So there's a lot of power here because first it can tell you any words, like any stories or any research. So I can ask them, hey, tell me a good mean reversion strategy. It said mean reversion is a trading strategy that assumes that prices will tend to move back to their average price over time. In other words, it is based on the idea that prices that deviate significantly from their mean or average will eventually revert back to mean. Here's an example of a mean reversion trading strategy. Identify the average price of a security over a certain time period, like 20 days. Calculate the standard deviation of the price over the same time period. Set the threshold, e.g. 2 standard deviations above and below the mean price. If the current price of the security falls below the threshold or rises above the upper threshold, enter a trade to buy or sell the security, respectively. Set a target price at the mean price and a stop loss at the threshold level, and then close the trade when either the target price or the stop loss price has been reached. And I'll say, okay, now code this for me in Python using CCXT and trading at the ETH USD. And you can see, even if I wasn't a coder, I could easily have ChatGPT start writing code for me. So the cool thing is, these days, if you're a trader, you know you have a skill that's very hard to learn. Like reading these candle bars, very hard to learn. It's a different language, but so is coding. But you're a beast. And I know that because you're here researching. So you can learn anything. Now, it's gonna take a couple weeks to get over like how ugly this is. But once you're past that, it's just like anything else. And there's only like 8 to 10 concepts you need to know in trading, in coding, and then you're good to go. And you can see it codes for you. So you just have to be good enough to figure out where it's wrong. You can see if current price is under the lower threshold, it creates a market buy, creates a market sell. But what I want to do here today, as you can see, this code is outputting. We've been working with this for a while. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. But if you're returning, you know that we stopped here and we've been building out this mean reversion strategy. And one of the things that we need to build is a function that gets my last trade. And it needs to look at that last trade and pretty much say this.